Dreaming of studying abroad but can't decide where to go? Here's how to choose your perfect country. 1. Academic goals. Pick a country that matches your field, like the US for research, Germany for engineering, the UK for arts and humanities. 2. Budget and costs. Check tuition fees and living costs. Some countries like Norway or Germany are affordable, while the US and UK can be pricier. 3. Language and culture. Do you want to study in English-speaking countries or learn a new language? Also, think about lifestyle, big city vibes or quieter surroundings. 4. Post-study opportunities. Look at work visas and job opportunities. Canada and Australia offer post-study work permits, while the US has programs like OPT. 5. Personal fit. Think about weather, safety, food, and distance from family. A country that feels like home will make your journey easier. That's your guide on how to choose the perfect country for study abroad. Register now and our study abroad admissions expert will connect with you for free counseling. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.